Here are some important facts to know before beginning. General Formula 209 is a next-level acidic formula for the effective removal of stubborn tannin stains and the last traces of inks and lipsticks. It should be used by experienced professionals only. Always test an item's color fastness in a hidden area before use. General Formula 209 becomes more active on stains and fugitive dyes when warm water or heat is added. When working with color-sensitive fabrics and dyes, use cold water, as heat increases the risk of dye bleeding. If there's a color change on fabrics when using General Formula 209, immediately apply an alkaline stain remover like Street Pro. The dye will often return to its original color. Please note, if heated too much, General Formula 209 becomes active on acetate fibers. Begin by wetting the area with steam. Then apply Emulsilite directly to the stain. To help speed penetration, apply mechanical action by working the stain with a spatula. Use steam to heat and rinse the area to see the results. Then apply General Formula 209 to the stained area. Move to the solid part of the board. Apply tamping motion with the tannin spotting brush. Rinse using cold water. Once the stain is removed, using the vacuum section of the board, wet the area with steam from the inside to the outer edges of the treated area. The goal is to have a gradual transition from damp in the center to drier at the edge to help prevent spotting rings. Dry the area with air, starting from the outer edges and working inward. It is sometimes necessary and beneficial to apply a leveling agent, such as soft spot, spotless, or multi-spot. Then reclean the garment, particularly in the case of larger stained areas. Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.